Conversation between two friends about hiking.
Hey, David.
Hi, Sandy.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am going hiking with some friends. Do you want to join?
No, that is okay.
But why? Do you have any other plans?
No, I don't have any other plans.
So, why don't you want to join us for hiking?
Because I have never gone hiking before.
Really? It is a lot of fun. And great exercise.
It sounds fun and good for you.
It is. You should come.
But I don't know what to pack for the first hike.
Don't worry. I am here to tell you.
So, tell me please.
First, you will need the best hiking shoes. I have extra hiking shoes, so I will give it to you.
Thanks, David. And what will I need?
Comfortable clothes, a water bottle, first aid kit, trash bag, bug spray, snacks, toilet paper, hand sanitizer.
What should I eat before hiking?
Your pre-hike meal should include healthy carbs, such as fruits and vegetables, brown rice, whole grain cereals, low-fat or fat-free yogurt.
But why?
Because our body needs more energy while hiking. That's why you should usually eat more.
Okay. But what if I lost my way while hiking?
That time, we won't leave you alone. If this happens, you can download Google Map and keep your location on.
If there will be any network problem. So, how can you find me? Or, how can I find you?
I have solution for that too.
Please tell me.
We can also use GPS offline.
But how?
Download the map of the place where we are going hiking.
That is great.
Now, are you ready to go?
How long are you going to be hiking?
We usually hike about 10 miles, but this weekend, we are going to hike a much shorter distance.
But why?
Because it is your first hike. That's why I thought so.
It will be great fun.
Yes, you are right.
Let's go home.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.